Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Wallpaper offers a versatile and stylish way to transform any room in your home, adding personality, texture, and visual interest to your space. From bold and vibrant patterns to subtle and sophisticated designs, there are countless wallpaper ideas to suit every taste and style. Create a focal point in a room by wallpapering one wall with a bold and eye-catching pattern. This technique is particularly effective in living rooms, bedrooms, or dining rooms, where the wallpaper can serve as a backdrop for artwork, furniture, or decorative accents. Choose a wallpaper with a striking pattern or vibrant colors to make a statement, or opt for a subtle design for a more understated look. Add depth and dimension to a room with textured wallpaper that mimics the look and feel of natural materials such as wood, brick, or stone. Textured wallpaper adds warmth and character to a space, creating visual interest without overwhelming the room. Consider using textured wallpaper in entryways, hallways, or accent walls to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Bring the beauty of nature indoors with wallpaper featuring botanical prints such as leaves, flowers, or tropical motifs. Botanical wallpaper adds a fresh and vibrant touch to any room, creating a serene and tranquil environment. Use botanical wallpaper in bedrooms, bathrooms, or home offices to create a calming and rejuvenating space inspired by the outdoors. Incorporate geometric wallpaper patterns to add a modern and stylish flair to your home decor. Geometric wallpaper designs such as stripes, chevron, or hexagons create a sense of movement and energy, making them perfect for contemporary living spaces. Use geometric wallpaper in accent walls, alcoves, or powder rooms to add visual interest and sophistication to your home. Embrace retro charm with wallpaper featuring vintage-inspired designs such as damask, toile, or Art Deco motifs. Vintage wallpaper adds a touch of nostalgia and elegance to any room, creating a timeless and classic look. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper in dining rooms, libraries, or sitting areas to create a sense of old-world charm and sophistication. Make a bold statement in your home with wallpaper murals or wall art that showcase stunning landscapes, cityscapes, or abstract designs. Wallpaper murals can transform a room into a work of art, adding drama and visual impact to your space. Use wallpaper murals in living rooms, home theaters, or children's bedrooms to create a unique and captivating focal point that reflects your personal style and interests. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant patterns or subtle and sophisticated designs, wallpaper offers endless possibilities for transforming your home decor. With these creative wallpaper ideas, you can add personality, texture, and visual interest to any room in your home, creating a space that is uniquely yours.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!